Huh. That's crazy.
Your mom and dad met him at the
Skyrim. Actually, you met him at Skyrim too. The little old man with all the girls.
Oh, yeah.
Skyrim at the rehearsal dinner.
Oh, really?
The little old guy that was dancing with all the young ladies. He's a member of the original team that developed the atom bomb.
Really?
And I didn't know that last piece of information. You heard he just said?
Something about being in the Gucci Garden.
1844. Interesting fellow. Pretty much a few good kind of rock.
Casper? Can you believe how big he is?
Did you hear him talking earlier?
I did. Oh, for a second.
He doesn't look like Dave at all.
You don't think so? Everybody tells me he looks just like Dave.
He does. That's what.
Yeah, he does.
That's being sarcastic.
It's like the...
He does have your eyes.
Finally calmed down?
A little bit.
Only when Daddy's arm.
Only when I hold her straight up like this.